Hey guys! Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For today's Lightroom tutorial, I will show you how to recreate this look. Requested by 𝗁𝗲𝗀𝗁𝗍 and 𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗍. If you want to download the preset, I will put a link in the description box for you to download. DNG file is protected by a password, and it will appear separately as a YouTube card on the upper corner of your screen. Password is divided into 3. Combine all to unlock the download. For mobile user, to be able to see the password, make sure to use YouTube app instead of the browser. Here's the before and after photos using this Lightroom preset. Now let's get into Lightroom and let's get this edit started. So to begin with, we're gonna start adjusting in our basic panel. Here we're gonna raise our temperature to +6. Then we're gonna bring down our tone to -5. Leave our exposure where it is, we might come back and adjust it later. Then we're gonna come down to our highlights and drop it down to -18. Then raise our shadows to +24. Whites to -60, and our blacks to +52. Then drop the clarity a little bit to -7. What it does is it really softens out the entire photo. Then let's go to curves, drop the midtones a little bit, and drag the highlights a little bit, and a little pull up between blacks and shadows. Now we're gonna come over to our reds and let's create an 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏. And do the exact same sort of tone curves to our green channel. Then go ahead and come over to our blues. But it's gonna be a little different here. After creating an 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏, we're gonna drop this down a little bit. Let's look a quick before and a quick after. Next, go ahead and decrease our contrast to -8 and our saturation to -8. We're still missing some colors. That's where 𝗂𝗆𝗄𝗏𝗁's gonna come in. Here we were adjusting each colors each by itself. Let's start with red. Adjust hue to +40, saturation to +13, and luminance to -16. Next is orange. Adjust hue to +19 and saturation to -9. And then yellow. Hue to +65, saturation to -59 and luminance to +18. Next is green. Hue to +39, saturation to -78 and luminance to +73. Aqua. Hue to +60. Let's go over to our blues. Hue to -9, saturation to -17 and luminance to +20. Now go to split tone. Adjust highlights to 98 and saturation to 20. And our shadows to 81 and saturation to 20. It's gonna look kinda odd right now, but we will work it out in the end. Add some grains, about 8. Now go right down to our calibration panel. And that's where we're gonna fix our colors, especially the skin tones. Go to our red primary. Up here to about +6, and our saturation to -43. Green primary. Hue to +6. Blue primary. Drag it down to -40, and saturation to -41. And we're almost done. But let's fix our 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏𝗁 one more time. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and try this preset.
I get chills
side-by-side comparison with our reference.
When you smile, you make my heart race. I go crazy when you walk my way. So just stop right there and come make my day.
Keep in mind that not all presets works on every photo. Feel free to tweak some adjustment, especially with basic settings, to get better results.
Let me see those eyes staring in mine. Let me take you on a date tonight. Girl, let me love you like I do. We both know it's true. My heart beats on repeat for you, girl. I don't wanna be without you, please. Let me be your man. Take my heart, cause you are my world. Just see you feel it too. Feel it too. You're the one I want to hold. I want to love you until we grow old. I wanna take you anywhere you'd like. So just say your wish and I'll make it mine. I hope you know that this is true. My heart is racing thought of you. Let's make this last and take it slow. Cause I don't wanna waste a minute with you, I don't. Girl, let me love you like I do. We both know it's true. My heart beats on repeat for you, girl. I